Hello Unanimous friends! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm Yu Anyuna. So for today's video, short tutorial tayo regarding sa email na receive ko mula sa YouTube creator o Google AdSense. Kayo rin ba nakatanggap o nakareceive ng email at nagpa-pop up sa inyong mga YouTube studio? So ano nga ba ito? Ito yung mga na-receive natin at sabi, your US tax form will expire at the end of 2024. Kailangan mo mag-resubmit ulit ng tax information or tax info using your Google AdSense. Para hindi ganoon kalaki ang bawas ni Lolo o ng YouTube sa iyong tax sa sinasahod mo mula sa mga videong ina-upload mo sa YouTube. So, simple lang ang tutorial na to. So, doon sa email na na-receive ninyo, meron doon 7 step paano mag-resubmit ng tax info. So, tuturo ko sa inyo paano gumawa ng tax declaration or tax info form. Magsasubmit tayo sa Google AdSense using your Android phone. Okay, so let's start na ang ating tutorial. Mag-resubmit tayo ng tax info sa Google AdSense. But before we start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button down and let's be friends. So let's start now.
Okay, Unanimous friends, punta tayo sa ating Gmail account. Click natin yung na-receive nating email mula sa YouTube creators. Your US tax form expired at the end of 2024. So, ito yung mga kadahilan ng kung bakit na-expired. And nandito na rin yung step paano natin ito ma-resubmit. So, number 1, meron 7 steps. Click natin yung sign in. Yan. Then, click natin yung payment. Next, payment info. Then, mapupunta tayo sa payment profile. Scroll down natin. Punta tayo dun sa United States Tax Info. Click natin yung lapis. Then, Manage Tax Info. Click din natin. Then, mapupunta tayo dito. Click natin Show Tax Details and Documents. Then, nandito yung tax information mo kung kailan mag-e-end ng December 31, 2024. And then, click mo yung Submit New Form. Then, may magpa-pop up ulit. Basahin nyo muna bago mag-start ng form. Ayan yung nakalagay. And then, maglalagin ulit kayo sa inyong email address sa inyong Gmail. Then, mag-start na tayo ng United States Tax Info. Then, click the individual what type of account. Then, next, are you citizen of United States? So, no. Then, click next. Next, select W8 form tax. So, click natin yung sa taas, W8BEN. Then, click Start W8BEN form. Then, nandito na tayo sa tax identity. So, yung iba, meron ng automatic na naka-fill up. So, pipila pa natin yung walang nakalagay. So, i-click natin to, piliin natin yung country natin. Scroll down natin, hanapin natin Philippines. Then, sa foreign things, so type lang natin ang ating TIN number. Yan. Then, after natin matype yung ating TIN number, then, click next. Next, the address. Pipilapan muna natin yung ating address. Yan. And then, click natin dalawang box na maliit for permanent address or mailing address. Then, click next. Next, dito tayo sa tax treaty. So, are you claiming or reducing or withholding tax of your tax treaty? So, yes. Click lang natin. Then, yung small box. And then, piliin natin ulit yung country natin, Philippines. After natin mapili yung country natin, so, itong tatlong box na maliliit, i-click natin yan. Yan, tatlo. And then, choose natin yung click natin yung box for the article and paragraph. And then, click din natin yung small box. Lahat yan, pipila pa natin. Yan, 15%. Yan, article and paragraph. Then, 0%. Yan. And then, click natin yung box sa baba. Then, 15%. Click natin. yung dalawang box. Okay, and then click next. Activities and services performed in US, click lang natin yung no. Yan. Then, click din natin yung box. Then, click next. Next, dito tayo sa tax reporting, go paperless. So, click lang natin yung box. I accept paperless delivery. Then, next. Then, dito tayo sa document preview. So, pwede mo i-click yung nasa gilid na form para mas makita mo itong malaki. Then, click mo yung box. I confirm that I have review. And then, next. Now, nasa last part na tayo, certify and sign. Then, tax certification. I-click lang natin yung box sa baba under penalties. Okay. Tayo sa your signature. Check nyo lang, yes, I am beneficial owner name. Siyempre, unanimous friend before nyo i-check yung mga box. Basahin nyo muna yung mga details. Then, click next. Then, a few seconds and minute, lalabas na yung result. Your tax info has been accepted. Then, makikita mo na approve. And then, napalitan na rin yung expiration mula 2024 na December 31. Ngayon ay December 31, 2027. Then, makaka-receive ka ng email mula kay Google. Your tax information has been approved. Congratulations, unanimous friends!
Ayan, unanimous friends. Ganyan lang kadali paano mag-resubmit ng tax info mula sa inyong Google AdSense. So, unanimous friends, if you find this video a really big help, don't forget to like, share, and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell notify you for my latest video because you got me and I got you. Just leave the message in the comment box below and I'll be back to you. I promise! I love you! Bye! Sarang hen! Tan 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 tan!